Hi Pre-Calc, going over the homework. Let's start with this one, number 39 from section 5.4. We're going to start by taking the ln of both sides. Okay, that allows us to bring the exponents down in front. Alright, now this is quadratic overall, so what you want to do is you want to get them on one side. I'm going to suggest moving this term over to here. So when things are quadratic, the idea in your brain is, can I factor? Can I use a square root method? Can I use a quadratic formula? Can I use completing the square? And for this one, I can see that it's factoring, but if you don't see it yet, you'll see it after a few steps. What makes this difficult is it looks weird as heck. That's what makes it difficult. All right, now if you notice, it is a common factor to x, so you're going to pull that out. All right, now you can use the zero product rule, which means that you can set each piece equal to 0. So I can set this equal to 0, and I can set this equal to 0. All right, just in case I lost you there, let me just say the rule real quick again. There's something called the zero product rule, which says if A times B equals to 0, then either A equals 0 or B equals 0. That's a rule. That's called the zero product rule. So when you have something times something equal to 0, you can say, okay, well, either the first guy equals to 0 or the second guy equals to 0. Now over here on this guy, you got to isolate the x, so that means you have to move the ln4 over, and you have to divide off the ln to the fifth. Okay, now my brain is saying I'm supposed to round this 3 decimal places. Okay, we can do that. Alright, so 0 we know is 0. You can see if you plug that back in there, that's going to check. Let's do this guy over here. Again, be real careful with closing the parentheses. Alright, ln, oh, I got a double ln there. ln of 4, you got to close it here, so I close it, divided by ln of 5, close it, hit equal. 3 decimals would be 0.861. 0.861. Okay, I hope that helped. It was just a really weird looking problem, but at the end of the day, it was just factoring, solving this quadratic by factoring and setting each of the parts equal to 0. Okay, catch you in another video. Bye-bye.